Panasonic's fully automatic washing machine, the Aquabeat. The new Aquabeat offers improved eco-performance and gentle washing. Panasonic's unique EcoNavi technology. 2 sensors automatically detect the washing conditions. EcoNavi then automatically optimizes washer performance, reducing wasted water and electricity. AquaSpin Rinse. First is a strong shower rinse instead of a soak rinse, markedly reducing water consumption. Dancing water flow. Clothing is thoroughly agitated for more powerful washing. The new Aquabeat also features gentle hand wash. A favorite dress, t-shirt, underwear, lace lingerie, a blouse that easily loses its shape. For items you've spent much time and effort hand washing, now just press a button. Aquabeat frees you from the time and trouble of washing delicate items by hand. A special net protects your clothes from damage. Powerful water action thoroughly washes without the clothing moving. The uniquely shaped Sazanami drum also prevents damage to clothing. Now enjoy more free time. A new fragrance course lets clothing fully absorb the fragrance of fabric softener. For maximum hygiene, there's the AG Crystal Shower and the Baby Care course. Aquabeat also features advanced universal design, improved eco-performance and gentle washing. Panasonic's Aquabeat.
Panasonic. Ideas for life.